40.
40.
40.
Demandez le chemin.
Asking for directions.
Asking for directions.
Excusez-moi.
Excuse me,
Excuse me,
Pourriez-vous m'aider?
can you help me?
can you help me?
Où y a-t-il un bon restaurant aux alentours?
Is there a good restaurant around here?
Is there a good restaurant around here?
Tournez à gauche au coin de la rue.
Take a left at the corner.
Take a left at the corner.
Ensuite, allez un peu tout droit.
Then go straight for a while.
Then go straight for a while.
Faites ensuite 100 mètres et tournez à droite.
Then go right for 100 meters.
Then go right for 100 meters.
Vous pouvez aussi prendre le bus.
You can also take the bus.
You can also take the bus.
Vous pouvez aussi prendre le tram.
You can also take the tram.
You can also take the tram.
Vous pouvez aussi me suivre en voiture.
You can also follow me with your car.
You can also follow me with your car.
Comment vais-je au stade de football?
How do I get to the soccer stadium?
How do I get to the football stadium?
Traversez le pont.
Cross the bridge.
Cross the bridge.
Passez par le tunnel.
Go through the tunnel.
Go through the tunnel.
Allez jusqu'au 3e feu de signalisation.
Drive until you reach the 3rd traffic light.
Drive until you reach the 3rd traffic light.
Tournez ensuite à la première rue à droite.
Then turn into the first street on your right.
Then turn into the first street on your right.
Continuez ensuite tout droit au prochain carrefour.
Then drive straight through the next intersection.
Then drive straight through the next intersection.
Excusez-moi. Comment vais-je à l'aéroport?
Excuse me, how do I get to the airport?
Excuse me, how do I get to the airport?
Le mieux, c'est de prendre le métro.
It is best if you take the underground.
It is best if you take the underground.
Descendez simplement au terminus.
Simply get out at the last stop.
Simply get out at the last stop.